So this is Kimiyoshi's house, the front yard, and the house area. And I'm going to show you a little bit about where I live, or where I'm going to be staying for the next few days, and where Kimiyoshi's family lives. So this is the front entrance. You take off your shoes, and you step up, which is pretty normal. Over there is the bedrooms that the family stays in. And then this is sort of like the living room, common area slash somewhat dining room. And then they have a restroom, just a normal toilet in there. The sink is on the outside. And then they have their washing machine. And then bathroom with a really nice outside view. And this is the kitchen. I don't know why they have a step down here. They don't like the step down either. They think it's strange. And this is the room that I'm staying in for the few days, which is normally the kids' playroom and homework room. But they cleaned it out just for me. And here I am. Just moved in, and I'm interested in how I'm going to set up. It should be more comfortable. It seems a lot easier to clean and cleaner than Kenji-san's house. And even have this nice outside view. Walk up there and hammock. They hang up everything. No one has dryers. It's totally different than America. Anyways, that's the house.